You're looking at this the wrong way. And most people, I believe, are going to miss the greatest opportunity in our living history. Now, I'm about to share with you is going to be open and fully transparent. I'm peeling back the curtain on exactly what I'm doing. My channel is all about authenticity, not financial advice. I just want to show you exactly what I'm doing, but I also want to get you into my brain and give you the logical circuit of what I'm doing. I've been doing this since 2020 and I nailed it from 2020 to 2025. And I'm going to share with you from 2026 to 2030 how my setup is so you can measure my success. I went from completely losing everything in 2020 because of the pandemic to a multi-millionaire investor, a multi-millionaire entrepreneur, to having a sloppy ecosystem to an ecosystem that flows from microeconomic cycles and is built to protect for generations. So again, this is not financial advice. I'm going to share with you what I believe is going to happen and how I'm positioning myself. So what you see as a battle between decentralization and centralization, I see as us being played in a rewiring of the financial system. And why do I say this? Because you see this big battle between the crypto industry and the banking industry. And my past banking industry, I can see a rewiring of the system as they tell us to look this way as they accumulate all the assets this way. Remember they told you? Cryptocurrency is a fraud. It's used for money laundering, run as far as away from you. It's a pet rock. Trump told you that. He told you he's a dollar guy, anti-crypto. Larry Fink told you that. It's used for money laundering. Jamie Dimon told you that. But all of a sudden in 2023, BlackRock flipped, Larry Fink. Trump came back and ran as the crypto capital of the world, the Bitcoin president. Jamie Dimon says, Bitcoin, but blockchain technology, but their wealthy clients can invest in it, and they have their own blockchain set up and their own form of cryptocurrency or payment token. Look it up. JPM coin, I think it became Onyx. Wells Fargo's working with R3. You look at Bank of America's patent, you have Ripple. So what you see is this battle between decentralization and centralization. I see traditional banking merging with decentralized finance because it doesn't have a choice. First they resist it, then they sue it, then they regulate it, then they join it. Draper. The same thing every single time. So we're in regulation and joining phase. Jamie Dimon said it himself. If stablecoin companies are going to be getting yield, they need to be regulated as a bank. Well, you think there's this big battle going between banks and exchanges, but they're fighting for the same act, the Clarity Act, which gives banks clear rules of the road to operate in crypto. So if they were fighting against the banking system, then why would they be working together to come up with rules around stablecoin? So Coinbase will be a bank. Kraken's going to be a bank. Crypto.com got their bank charter conditionally approved. Ripple's going to be a bank. So you're not seeing this battle between exchanges and banks. You're seeing a merging of a system. Trust me, when the Clarity Act gets passed, your bank, in the next 12 to 24 months, will be begging you to do institutional grade custody and begging